Now, how do you export a voice from the iPad? Let's get into it. So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to the Foxtecc channel and you will never miss anything important. Now, the iPad has a dedicated and built-in voice recorder, which is called the Voice Memo application. And it's really simple. It's built in. It works very well. I use it all the time. And if you want to export that voice from the iPad, you have some options. So you can click on the specific voice memo and recording, then click on the share button like that, and essentially choose the method of sharing or exporting. So you can, for example, share it through email or upload it to the Google Drive, Dropbox, or plenty of the other apps and solutions which you have available on your iPad. But you can also just move it to a folder or save it to the Files app like that. And there you can use some sort of external drive like USB stick or an external SSD and just save it directly to that device. And this way, get it out of your iPad, like export it from your iPad, right? So as you can see, there are more ways and methods which you can utilize to export your voice recordings from the iPad to a different place, like a different computer, or upload it to the internet or some kind of cloud storage. So let me know what you think below. Let me know which option you decided to go with. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you later in the next future tutorials.